My name is Melissa Horton, and writing poems is my passion. When I was 12 years old, I knew this was my kind of fashion. I have never read a poem before, or even went to school to learn. I've always felt it was in my blood, and my soul is where my passion burns. I don't have a fancy video, and I can't express of all that I feel. But I am a person, and what you see is 100% real. I have worked long and hard to get this book on its way. I have even created the cover, but it's the funds that's keeping it at bay. So please help make a dream come true and see the rewards that are offered. Only you can make this happen by help supporting my book on Kickstarter. Please visit kickstarter.com/14688247226/ Essence of a Soul poetry book. And that's dashes in between each word. And that will reach you to the site. Please back my book up and help support a dream come true. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.